Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, exponents. In primary classes, you have learned about the repetitive addition, such as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here, 3 is written as, means how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is written in 4 times. So, 4 3 are 12. But there are occasions where the multiplicative repetition occur and from where the concept of exponents was developed. The example is such as written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3. Means 3 is written as how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is written as 5 times. So it is being said as 3 raised to power 5. Where 3 is known as base, right? And 5 is known as exponent, right? Base means which is being repeated. Base means which is being repeated, and exponent means number of times it is repeated. Take another example. If it is written as 4 to the power 6, right? Means 4 is what? Base, and 6 is what? Exponent, right? If we expand it, it is written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is the base which is being repeated, and 6 is a number of times, means it is written as 6 number of times, right? So this is exponent. And we are going to apply it in rational numbers. If a by b is any rational number and n is a positive integer, then a by b whole power n, you can write it as a means a power n. A power n means a is written as n number of times, right? And b is also written as n number of times. You can also write it as a power n divided by b power n. So if you are going to summarize it, a by b whole power n, you can write it as a power n upon b power n. Now take some example to understand this. If it is written as 2 by 5 whole power 3, you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. Means how many times? 3 times, because the power is 3 and 5 is also 3 times. So solve it. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 5 5 ja 25. 25 5 ja 125. So this is the answer, right? And if a by b a rational number and n is a negative integer, So a by b whole power minus n, you can write it as, take the reciprocal of this, means b by a power n, right? This is also a formula. We're taking an example to understand this. It is written as 3 by 4 power minus 2, right? So take the reciprocal of 3 by 4, 4 by 3, and write the positive part. 4 by 3 power 2 and solve it. 4 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 16, 3 3 is 9. Right? So there are some formulas which you are going to use to solve the questions in this chapter. Now we are going to discuss this. If a by b a rational number and m and n are the integers. Integers means whether it can be positive or negative. So first rule is a by b power m multiplied by a by b power n, means the base is same, the powers are different. So if the base is same and power are different, we can add the powers, right? So from here you can go there, and from here you can also go there, right? Reciprocal means vice versa is also true. Second part, if a by b power m, which is being divided by a by b power m, it is equal to a by b power m minus n, right? Understand it by example. First we are taking example of first formula. If it is written as 2 by 3 power 4 multiplied by 2 by 3 power 2, so you can write it as 2 by 3 power 4 plus 2, that is equal to 2 by 3 power 6, and you can solve it. If it is written as 2 by 3 power 4 multiplied by 2 by 3 power minus 2, right? So 2 by 3, add the powers, 4 plus minus 2. So take the difference, 4 and minus 2. The answer is 2 by 3 power 2, right? Suppose it is written as 4 by 7 power 5 multiplied by 4 by 7 power minus 3, right? So you can send the solution, right? Question is 5 by 3 power minus 2 multiplied by 5 by 3 power minus 1, and send the solution of both the questions to me. So we have discussed all the possibilities of first formula. Now come to second formula. Power 4, which is being divided by 3 by 2 power 2. So 3 by 2, 4 minus 2 equals 3 by 2 power 2, and solve it. 3 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 2. 3 3 is 9 by 4. Right? So there are also 3 possibilities. I am giving you the question. First question. Three by 5 power 5 divided by, or minus 5 divided by 3 by 5 power minus 3. Second, 2 by 3 power 3 divided by 2 by 3 power 2. And 4 by 7 power minus 2 divided by 4 by 7 power 5. Right? Send me the solution while using the second formula. Now come to other formulas. The third formula is, if a by b power m to whole power n, it is written as a by b power m multiplied by n. You can write it as m into n. Right? Take an example. If 2 by 5 power 2 and whole power 3, you can write it as 2 by 5 power 2 into 3, that is 6. So 2 by 5 power 6. Right? Come to next formula. Formula number 4. If a by b is a rational number and c by d is also a rational number, if whole power n, you can write it as a by b power n multiplied by c by d power n. Right? The example is 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 whole power 2. You can write it as 2 by 3 power 2 multiplied by 4 by 5 power 2, and you can solve it. Last formula is, if it is written as a by b power 0, it equals 1. So if 4 by 5 power 0 is written, it equals 1. Right? Any number which is having 0 power, it always equals 1. So now we are going to take some questions and solve it by using the formulas what we have understood. Right? If a question is written as 3 by 8 power minus 2 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 2, you have to, so take the reciprocal of 3 by 8, it is 8 by 3, and the power becomes positive. Same in second case, so 5 by 4, the power becomes positive. Solve it. 8 by 3 multiplied by 8 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 4. So product of numerator 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and product of denominator. Solve it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So you can write it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and denominator is 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100 and 3 3 ja 9. So this is your answer. You can also write it as in mixed fraction. So I am going to one question which you have to solve it and send the solution. Question is 2 by 7 power minus 4 multiplied by 5 by 7 power 2. This you have to solve it and send the solution. Right? Come to next type of question. If it is written as minus 1 by 2 power minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 power minus 3, what you have to do is base is same, so power must be add minus 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus minus 3, so it equals minus 1 by 2 power minus 5. Open it or take the reciprocal, right? So it is written as 2 by 1 power minus 5, power 5. So minus 2 power 5 equals minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. It is written as 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 and minus. This is your answer. So now I'm going to give you a question. Question is minus 1 by 4 power minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 by 4 power minus 2, right? Solve it and send the solution. So solve it and send the solution. Now come to last question of today's class. The question is 2 power minus 1 multiplied by 5 power minus 1 whole power minus 1, which is being divided by 4 power minus 1. So what you have to do, take the reciprocal first, right? So now we are taking the reciprocal, so 1 by 2 power minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 5 power minus 1, because whole power is minus 1, which is divided by 4 power minus 1. Now take the reciprocal of this, so 2 multiplied by 5, and if we are changing the sign, it becomes 4 power minus 1. Take the reciprocal of this, 2 multiplied by 5 and also multiplied by 4. 2 5 is 10, 10 4 is 40 and this is the answer. So in solving this, we are using the formula, means if a power m is written as, you can write it as a ki power m, or if it is written as 1 upon a ki power minus m, it is written as a ki power m. This is the formula you have learned in class 7th in exponent chapter. This formula we have used in solving this question, right? So come to last question, what I am going to give you, and you have to solve it and send me the solution. Question is 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 power minus 2. Solve it and send the solution, and also let me know if you are facing any problem in solving any type of question or any topic what we have discussed you are not getting, right? So it is finished. So thank you very much.